Alright, so I've been studying the guy on a transmission bench, and he said to put this in first. Put this in after I put that other thing in, whatever that thing. I don't know what the name's. I didn't even learn that name now. Put that in. That's what he said. Then he said, do a lot of checking, a lot of checking, a lot of checking, a lot of checking, a lot of checking. I check all that stuff beside this transmission. Like I said, the transmission is brand new practically. Alright. Then he said, take this, make sure this part is down and the ring part you got is up. And mesh that together like that. Then after you did that, he took the sun gear and he put the sun gear on top of that. Okay. It's not cracked or anything. It's practically brand new. It's not even worn or anything. He said plan on buying one if these things are worn out. He also said to put in new bushings. But this looks pretty good. Looks really good, yeah. Alright. Alright, then he said to take this thing here, and I'm gonna have to go back and look at what he said do with this. Be right back. I could show y'all, but man, I'm ready to put this thing together.